Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to easily turn any photo into a spooky styles using your phone. And the best part, it's free and super simple to do. First, just open your Dreamface app, and if you don't have it yet, just head over to Google Play Store and then download and then install it. And next, just open it and then log in with your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface will offer a free plan, so you will get weekly credits and limited daily generations for both photos and video. Okay, next, after logging in, you will see the main homepage like this here, and then just tap on AI filter, and then just scroll down until you find stylistic painting sections, this one, and then just look for spooky styles, this one, just tap on it, and then just choose a photo from your gallery. This could be your selfie or a portrait or even a random picture. And once it's selected, just hit animate, this one. And then just let the AI do its magic. And okay, like this, in just a few seconds, your normal photo will be transformed into a spooky painting styles like this. And honestly, the result, it looks super cool. Next, you can save it and then just share it on your social media. And okay, that's it. Super easy, right? Now you know how to create a spooky styles photo for free using Dreamface. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.